Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get invite for Instagram thread apps. So it will work on both on iOS and Android as well. On iOS, you have to go for any browser and you have to search for this threads.net and you will get this website here. And as you can see, if you tap on this get the app, you will get the invite link. If you tap on this get the app, it will redirect you on your app store and you can easily download the threads app. Now, if you are on Android, what you can do is you have to open the Instagram application. When you tap on your profile icon, tap on these three bars in the upper right corner, and as you can see the second option, I already have threads, but some people are not getting this. So how you can get this? You just have to tap on this search bar, and in the search bar, you just have to simply search for this threads, and as you can see this red icon, you just have to tap on this, and here is your invite link to the thread app. So that's how you can get invite for Instagram thread app on iOS and Android as well. So you just have to tap on this get threads and you can easily download it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.